Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to download mail from Outlook. For this, first of all, we need to open Outlook. So, click on Outlook. Hey, you can see this is my Outlook profile, and we will see how we can download any mail. From these emails, you can see I have 4 mails in inbox. So, I click on Inbox. After clicking on Inbox, Inbox starts to open in front of you. Once Inbox is open to you, you can see these are the emails. But I want to download the email of Well Said. So, I click on Well Said. After clicking on Well Said email will start to open in front of you. Once Well Said is open in front of you, you can see I want to download this email. For downloading email, you will see 3 dots on the top right corner of that image. So, click on it. After clicking, a small format will open in front of you. Once it's open, you can see there is a lot of options available right here. But we want to download, so we will click on Save As. After clicking on Save As, you can see a short pop-up will disappear on your dashboard, and it is showing that your mail is downloaded and that mail will be safe in your download section of your PC. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.